Hello everyone, welcome back to this great video on Vedic astrology. My name is Gautam, the host for this channel, and today I have great news for you. The good news is that if you are interested in learning Vedic astrology, if you have passion about Jyotisha and really want to learn this divine science, then the good news is that I'm going to start a fresh new batch very soon, next month, in which you can learn Vedic astrology in a very effective and simple and very easy way. So, what is this course about? What are the details about the course? What are the things which you will learn about this? And what is the fees for you to learn Vedic astrology? Is everything included in this video? All the informations are there in this video. So, please watch this video till the end so that you can understand everything very much. And if you know any friends or family who want to really learn astrology, I would request if you can really please share this video with them. That would be of really great help. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Let me know you guys have watched this video. The very first synopsis about this class or the new batch is that this batch is going to be of approximately 70 hours of the Vedic astrology course. Yes, a lot of people think that Vedic astrology could be learned in just like 3 workshops or 1 week or 2 week or crash course. That doesn't work much in practical way. That will just give you a very rough, a very basic idea. But in order to reach to a very advanced level, a very professional level, in which you can really look at any birth chart and you can precisely do the predictions, you need a very deep understanding of Jyotisha. So the course is designed in such a way that you will learn from basics all the way to the advanced in approximately 70 hours, which is approximately 6 to 7 months down the line. The lectures is going to happen one-on-one live on Zoom with me. So one lecture is of 2 hours each week, in which in a month we are going to do 4 different sessions. Some batches are on weekends and some batches are on the weekdays. Notes will be provided along with as and when we study. And at the end of the course, there's going to be 100-mark exam and certification for you to become a very good, very successful astrologer. Let me give you my brief introduction. Right now, I'm talking to every one of you. I'm settled with my family right here in Canada. It's been almost like 13 years of astrological research, practice, teaching, training, and doing consultations now globally. I've consulted more than 2,000 people around globe as of today. And I have learned Vedic astrologies from many gurus from India. I have learned concepts like divisional chart, Krishnamurti Paddhati, which is one of the excellent system in Vedic astrology. I have learned many other Vedic astrology concepts like Ashtagvarga, Sodasvarga, Gemini astrology, Tajik. I have learned about palmistry and Vastu-Shastra as well. I have acquired so much knowledge and experience that I feel that this is the right time for me to share the knowledge with every one of you. And I really respect all my gurus, all the sages and saints who have really, discovered this divine science, discovered this amazing science of Jyotisha. What are the benefits on how can you really help astrology is that you can really give a good guidance to people around you. You can firstly understand what are your strengths and weaknesses in your life. How can you leverage your strengths in order to be more productive, more effective in your career path, in your health, in your relationships, and many other areas of your life. So astrology can be a great tool for you to learn and to really help others, to help yourself, to help your family. And of course, if you want to be a very professional, like become a professional astrologer, then definitely this course is designed in such a way that you will learn the practical aspect of the astrology and it could be really helpful. Let me take you through the course syllabus. The very first level, the basic level, is the introduction and concept about Jyotisha, about the astrology, how astrology started, what are the houses, what are the zodiac signs, mathematical astrology in terms of the longitude and latitude, how the astronomy and the astrology are connected to each other, the origin of astrology, what are the difference between the Western astrology versus the Indian astrology. All these basics concept would be covered. After that, we are going to study and dive deep into very detailed analysis of 9 planets, 12 zodiac signs, and 12 houses. And what does all these fundamentals really work? I always tell to all my students, and these are the fundamentals like 12 zodiac sign, 9 planets, 12 houses, and 12 nakshatras. it is very important for everyone to understand these fundamentals, to build the base. These are the base. And if the base is strong, you can definitely go a very long way in astrology. And of course, we'll study about the moon cycles, panchang, and tithi. The next level is the advanced level in which we'll learn how to make the kundli, make the divisional charts, mathematical. The system which I follow is divisional charts and also Krishnamurti Paddhati. Birth time rectification is one of my specializations. So this level is the start of basics of what is birth time rectification and how you can really understand all the 16 divisional charts. Specifically, each chart symbolizes and signifies one specific area of our life, like career, marriage, health, finances, kids, relationship, karma, everything you can analyze from 16 divisional charts, and we are going to do the mastery of all these divisional charts. We are also going to learn about the transits, gochar, what are the aspects, what are the conjunctions, how does retrograde planets impact, what are retrograde and direct planets, motion, speed of the planets, color of the planets, and many, many things. And after that, we have the professional level in which we'll learn about the nakshatras, birth time rectification, medical astrology, how can gemstones really work, does it work, and what are the importance, predictions based on live, real examples. I don't believe in just teaching theory. I also believe in giving you practical experience, practical theory, practicality in terms of hands-on experience of how you can learn the astrology and you can imply that knowledge, you can apply that knowledge in your life. So there's going to be a lot of fun, lot of notes, lots of practical sessions with me. Let me discuss finally the fees is rupees 8,000 per month for 4 sessions, 4 lectures, which means like every week there will be 1 lecture or 2 hours. If you're dialing in from US and Canada, the fees is $240 a month for 4 sessions. The good news is I'm going to start several batches. So some of the batch will be in Hindi language. So in case if you are comfortable, अगर आपको हिंदी में सीखना है ज्योतिष, so आप डेफिनेटली हिंदी बैच को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको इंग्लिश में सीखना है, so आप इंग्लिश बैच को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. The total course is of approximately 70 hours, 6 to 7 months down the line, and I don't accept advance fees payment, so you can pay me like month on month basis, which would be really effective for your pocket friendly for you as well. So I hope you guys are really excited to join the next new batch of Vedic Astrology. If you have any questions, you can reach me. You can WhatsApp me and we can discuss whether how can this course really help you down the line. And if you really want to enroll this batch, you can connect with me very soon. I hope I was able to give all the information today. But if there is anything missing, if you need any more information, certainly I am here. You know how to reach me. See you soon in the very next batch. Take care. Goodbye. God bless you.